where gold standards meet golden opportunities. Chettinad Academy of Research and Education, a NAC A++ accredited powerhouse and UGC Category 1 institution, is now in Karnataka, proudly launching our dynamic K.G.F campus at Kolar Goldfields. Ranked 79th nationally by NARF and honored with an IIC 4-star rating, now we bring this legacy to K.G.F. Unlock your potential. Life-saving sciences, trailblazing degrees in physiotherapy, occupational therapy, and BSc Allied Health Sciences, specializing in cardiac tech, radiology, medical lab sciences, and anesthesia tech. Commerce reimagined. BCom with specializations in corporate secretariship, accounts and finance, computer application, and general. Tech the future. BSc Computer Science with cutting-edge tracks in AI and machine learning, data science, and cyber security. Why care K.G.F? More you score, less you pay. Unlock up to 100% scholarships based on your class 12 merits. Learning fortified. Train in high sophistication labs, anatomy, physiology, microbiology, and advanced skill labs, building unshakable foundations. Smart and AC classrooms to have a comfort learning. Real world edge. Gain unmatched early clinical exposure at our well-equipped campus hospital, providing free treatment to the Kolar community. Thrive on campus, modern hostels, vibrant sports facilities, and a holistic learning ecosystem. Admissions for 2025 to 26 are open. Apply now at K.G.F campus.